Hi students, welcome to our channel. I am Dr. K. Varada Rajkumar, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, AIML, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In the coming series of lectures, we are going to learn topics in Artificial Intelligence. In the first session, we see Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Overview of the presentation. So first we see Introduction to AI. So after that, we see the definition and we see why artificial intelligence, and we see the goals of artificial intelligence, and finally we discuss about advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Outcome of this lecture: at the end of this lecture, you all are understand what is artificial intelligence, including its definitions, goals and real world applications. So introduction to artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is one of the booming technology of computer science, so which is ready to create a new revolution in the world by making intelligent machines. I hope so. From last few years, AI is the booming technology in computer science. So it is currently working with a variety of subfields, so ranging from general to specific. So general to specific, so means such as we are using these AI technologies in self-driving cars, and we use this AI in playing chess. This AI we use in many fields. In this today's world, so normal people also using the AI technologies in their WhatsApp, in their Instagram. So this AI we use in many fields. So that is from general to specific. So you are using AI tools for painting. You are using AI tools for playing music, and we use these AI tools for proving the theorems also. And AI holds the tendency to cause a machine to work as a human. If you understand, the AI means if you use any AI tool for painting, now so this AI tool have the tendency to work like a human. So we say that AI holds a tendency to cause a machine to work as a human. So coming to definition of artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? If you observe, so this AI is consists of two words. One is artificial, another one is intelligence. So what is artificial? So artificial means man-made. So what is intelligence? So intelligence means thinking power. So thinking power. So now, so what is artificial intelligence? When we combine these two words, we conclude that artificial intelligence is man-made thinking power. Now, what is AI? So AI is man-made thinking power. Artificial means man-made. So intelligence means thinking power. Okay. Now coming to definition, it's a branch of computer science. So focused on creating intelligent machines that can behave, think, and make decisions like humans. So this is the definition of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence means man-made thinking power. Now, so artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that creates intelligent machines that can behave, think, make decisions like humans. So why artificial intelligence? So these AI models we use to solve real world problems, and by using these AI technology, we create virtual assistants, and we enhancing robotics, and we use these AI models in driving innovation also. Okay, coming to first one, solving real world problems. So AI provides solutions to complex challenges like healthcare diagnostics, marketing strategies, and traffic management, and ensuring efficiency and accuracy. So these AI models we use to solve real world problems. For example, consider healthcare diagnosis. If you give the input as a X-ray, if you use X-ray as a input, now based on this picture, that AI model will diagnose the disease. Another aspect is creating virtual assistants. I hope you all are know about these virtual assistants. So for example, so Siri is a virtual assistant, and Google and Amazon Alexa all these are the virtual assistants. Okay, so personal AI powered assistants like Siri and Google Assistant help simplify daily tasks and improve productivity. So enhancing robotics. So AI enables robots to operate in hazardous environments where human survival is at risk, such as disaster zones or deep sea exploration. So now if there is a danger in that environment, we use the robots to solve the problems. Okay. Another one is a driving innovation. So driving a car in traffic, creating some system which can exhibit intelligent behavior, so learn new things by itself, demonstrate, explain, and can do advice to its user. Now, if you observe autonomous cars, it can self-learn. It can understand the new things. So based on the new things, it will be adopt the knowledge, and based on the knowledge, it can act. These are the some of the aspects of why we need artificial intelligence. So coming to goals of artificial intelligence. The goals of artificial intelligence is to replicate human intelligence and solve knowledge intensive tasks. So third one, an intelligent connection of perception and action. Building a machine which can perform tasks that requires human intelligence, such as proving a theorem, playing a chess, so plan some surgical operation, so driving a car in traffic. So these type of machines we are going to build with the help of AI, and creating some systems which can exhibit intelligent behavior, learn new things by itself, demonstrate, explain, and can advise to its user. So these are the goals of artificial intelligence. The main goal of artificial intelligence is to replicate the human intelligence. You are developing some model, that model will act as a human, and these models we are going to use to solve knowledge intensive tasks. Knowledge intensive task means if you have huge data set, now it is very difficult to process. So by using these AI models, we are going to process that data set, and the goals of AI is the building machines like, so that machine, that model will solve the theorem, that model will play a game, that model will do some surgical operations, or that model will use for autonomous driving. So all these are the goals of artificial intelligence. So coming to advantages of artificial intelligence. So one is high accuracy with fewer errors, and when comparing to human, the speed is very high in artificial intelligence models, and high reliability, and useful for risky areas, and we use these AI models as a digital assistant, and we use this AI model as a public utility. So for example, ChatGPT, we use this model as a public utility. So coming to digital assistant, the examples are Siri, Alexa, Google. All these are the digital assistants. So coming to disadvantages of artificial intelligence. The main disadvantage of artificial intelligence is high cost. High cost. And it cannot think out of the box. And it have no feelings and emotions. And another disadvantage of using AI models is increasing dependency on machines. And so finally we say that no original creativity. So coming to first one, so high cost means if you observe, the robots are very high cost to build, and these robots cannot think out of the box. So based on the knowledge you imbibe in the model, it cannot think out of that box, and so these robots doesn't have any feelings and emotions. If you are depending on artificial intelligence models, then that increases the dependency on machines. That means a human dependency on machines will be increased. And another disadvantage is in those artificial models there is no original creativity. Okay, so this is about the introduction to artificial intelligence. In this class, we discussed about the definition of AI and we discussed goals of artificial intelligence and advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. I hope you all are understand this session. If you have any doubts on this session, you are going to post your doubts in the comment section. I will answer all your doubts. Thank you.